Hello and welcome! My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eco Wishes sweater. Turtleneck that is zippered. I love the texture on here and the color too. It's like a burnt orange, super fall-y, super great for fall outings. Check out that pattern. That's really nice. And then in the middle, little place for your hands. On the bottom, cuff like that. And then here are the sleeves. Oh, a place for your thumb. And that's a little different detail. So let me go ahead and try it on. So here's the collar. You can zip it up if you would like. The sleeves are a little bit longer than normal. They kind of fall like that. You can barely see like the tip of your finger because of these little thumb holes. Super cozy. I like that it falls on the shoulder, but in general, just a super cozy sweater that you can just throw over anything or just wear by itself, that I'm doing right now. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, let me know what you think about this sweater, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.